Good afternoon, Abbey Delray South residents. This is Jennifer Stevens here to give you a COVID-19 update. I wanted to update you on our COVID-19 test results for our healthcare center. While the majority of our test results continue to be negative, on Monday, June 15th, we learned that 3 health center residents tested positive for the virus. By way of recap, we have 7 health center residents receiving treatment for COVID-19 in our healthcare center. 6 residents are being cared for in our community, and 1 is being cared for in the hospital. 6 positive residents in the health center are in an isolated COVID unit. They have no contact with the other residents, and their caregivers, consisting of nurses, nursing assistants, and a housekeeper, only care for those residents. There is no crossover with staff. Also, we have 2 active health center team member cases of COVID-19. Our team members are self-isolating at home under the care of their physician and support of our HR team. A new ruling came out last night from the State of Florida Agency for Healthcare Administration. These rules require, as of July 7th, nursing home and assisted living facility staff will be tested for COVID-19 every 2 weeks, with testing resources provided by the state. Staff will not be permitted to enter the health center without having a negative test and will be tested every 2 weeks thereafter. This will greatly help us to continue to be on top of the spread of the virus. Residential living. We need to remain diligent in wearing our masks and social distancing and washing our hands frequently. It's imperative that we all follow these rules in our continued effort to keep the potential for virus in residential living as minimal as possible. Remember, it's not just about protecting yourself, it's about protecting your neighbors and our team members. New limited visitation. Our new limited visitation is going well. We are averaging 10 to 12 visitors per day. They are only allowed in the residential apartments and garden homes. No gathering in common areas is permitted. Visits are allowed Monday through Friday only from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. All visits must be pre-arranged 24 hours in advance by calling Rosemary for an appointment. We are receiving some excellent feedback from residents and family members that are so grateful to be able to spend some time together in person. Please remember that the visitors must not have traveled through an airport in the last 14 days. Also, they will be asked, in the last 14 days, have you visited the states of New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Louisiana, or a geographic location where there is a widespread community-based spread of COVID-19? If they answer yes, they will not be permitted to enter. Please do not invite out-of-town family members to travel down to visit. We are not permitting anyone to stay in the guest rooms. If you have questions about this policy, please contact myself or Rosemary for clarification. Trash rooms. Please use the trash chute for all garbage. Do not put your trash bags on the floor. This is happening much too frequently, and we are having trash pileup, which is creating a public health hazard and will not be tolerated. If you have a private aide, it is your responsibility to ensure their compliance, as they are your employee, not the employee of Abbey Delray South. If we find that a private aide is not using the trash chute, they will be banned from our property indefinitely. We have a new accountant starting. July 15th, her name is Nikki Solanki. I will introduce you to her via video when she starts. We're very excited. She's replacing Sam Young. I've interviewed some excellent nursing home administrator candidates over this past week. I've moved them all to the next level of interviews with our team. We're making great progress in finding a new health center leader. As always, I thank you for your support and cooperation. It's my privilege to serve you. Have a wonderful day.